Do you know the highest building in the world is over 800 meters high and combines various architectural styles? Can you imagine a tall timeline of building history, where every level has its unique story? Well, today we are going to see how these styles have changed from the very splendid Gothic cathedrals up to the modesty of the modern style. Believe me, it's going to be an exciting journey. Hey there, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're diving deep into the rich tapestry of architectural history. We'll trace the evolution from the dramatic Gothic style to the minimalist ethos of modern architecture. Whether you're an architecture enthusiast or just curious about the stories our buildings tell, this is the perfect place for you. So, settle in, and let's embark on this architectural adventure together. Well, let me tell you something that often puzzles even the most seasoned architects: how building styles evolve with time and influence one another. For example, when you look at a building, don't you sometimes ask yourself, what kind of style is this supposed to be? You can never tell. Between Gothic, Renaissance, Baroque, and modern, you are lost. Each one has its features, yet all of them often borrow and mix parts from each other. This mixing can make it hard to figure out what each style means. But don't worry, we're here to sort this architectural mess together. Now, let's turn to building history, starting with the Gothic style from the 12th to 16th century. This style emphasizes verticality and light. Think of the tall cathedrals across Europe, featuring pointed arches, ribbed ceilings, and beautiful flying supports. The most classic example, Notre Dame in Paris, with its impressive stained glass windows that vividly recount historical events. In architecture, symmetry, proportion, and a new interest in ancient Rome and Greece start to be in use as we enter into the Renaissance. The Cathedral of Florence was an amazing example of this time, with its large dome designed by Brunelleschi and balanced in harmony down to every little detail. Next, the Baroque period follows with strength. It performs a dramatic style and richness. Imagine St. Peter's Basilica in Vatican City, built with the greatness and detailed designs that make people feel amazed and respectful. Baroque focuses on creating stronger feelings of greatness through the bold shapes and fancy decorations that it uses. Modern architecture began in the late 19th and early 20th century. Over here, the catchphrase was simplicity. Architects started to rid their works of unnecessary decorations and concentrated on clean shapes and functional spaces. The Villa Savoy in France, designed by Le Corbusier, symbolizes this change with its simple design based on the well-known idea of form follows function. For now, let's focus on a very important point in the history of architecture: the emergence of modern. It was not a zero-hour change, but rather a gradual development stimulated by the ideas and inventions from earlier styles, like Gothic, which had already questioned old dogmas about beauty, structure, and space. The Bauhaus movement revolutionized our perception of design. It subscribed to the simplicity and usefulness of a design and believed good design should be accessible to anyone. This was to be a radical break with the styles of ornament and decoration that had been beforehand, replaced with the clean, modern lines we see today. And there it is, a journey through some important architectural styles in history. From the elaborate designs of the Gothic to the plain look of modern architecture, every style of architecture conveys a tale of human creativity and the ever-shifting values of humankind. Keep in mind, architecture is not all about buildings. It's about the history, culture, and ideas that shape our world. And there you have it, a journey. Some of the most influential architectural styles in history, from the intricate designs of the Gothic period to the sleek minimalism of modern architecture. Each style tells a story of human creativity and the changing values of society. That's it for today's video. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What's your favorite architectural style? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this journey through architectural history, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss our upcoming videos. Next time, we'll explore how architecture shapes our urban landscapes and impacts the way we live. Thanks for watching, and until next time, Keep exploring the incredible stories our buildings have to tell.